router link. So one by one, I'll just try to use. What is the use of redirect to? When any path, when you are not
That is by default too.
So by default, if you want to just specify something, then you can just use it as for you can just use it as a redirect to. What is the thing? What is the syntax? Path redirect to
Path.
Redirect to the which component you are redirecting, you need to specify. Okay. Yeah. And path match full. Why do you use path match full? Path match full, you need, what is path match full is whenever you are giving the path, you're not giving some value to the path. That is, if the path is not been initialized with some value, then you need to give path match full. Why? Because if you're not giving path match full, one is it gives an error. The second thing is you are informing that it should be redirected to that particular page completely. So to just tell that, we are using path match full. Okay, so today we will be starting with forms. Okay,